7 minus 1 gives us 6. 7 minus 1 gives us 6. Now 6 times 6 gives us 36. But this is a not right answer. Because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division. Same like addition or subtraction. Remember that in multiplication or additions have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Same like addition or subtraction. In this expressions, here one is subtraction, parenthesis and also subtraction and same like multiplication. So first we do parenthesis, then multiplication. 7 minus 1. Now in parenthesis 7 minus 1 gives us 6. Now first we do multiplication then subtraction. 7 minus 1 times 6 gives us 6 and finally 7 minus 6 gives us 1. This is the right answer.